PL/SQL Complete Course, Beginner to Advance with Projects. Description: Learn PL/SQL with 100 plus exercises and 2 projects. Requirements: eager to learn and practice. Oracle 9i or beyond. Google Search Console. How to use it to increase SEO traffic. Description: How Google Search Console can help you to increase your SEO traffic and that Google loves your site. June 2020. Requirements: basic knowledge and understanding of search engine optimization. Python programming for beginners in data science. Description: This Python for Beginners course teaches you just enough Python training online with Python 3 for data science. Requirements: none in general. This is a beginner's course. A PC or Mac with good internet connections. All required software, like Python executable, IDTC, can be downloaded. Enough enthusiasm to learn the course through its quizzes and exercises. Crash course for Laravel 7 and Vue.js Basics. Description: Start learning Laravel 7 today with this easy-to-follow course. Requirements: basic understanding of PHP. Basic understanding of HTML. Set up Shopify site and run Facebook page likes at Easy 2020. Description: Design e-commerce business on Shopify and run Facebook page likes ad for marketing in 60 minutes. Requirements: email address, access to internet. Facebook ads for customer engagement and page likes beginners. Description: Reach new audience with Facebook marketing page likes campaign to get quick fans and customers in 2020. Requirements: Facebook page, ad account. Blogging for engineers. Start blogging on engineering niche. Description: Bootcamp on how to start blogging on engineering topics and start earning passive income. Requirements: No prerequisite is required as this course is for everyone who wants to start blogging in engineering topics. Just a desire to learn and apply. Introduction to the basics of melt and pour soap. Description: Learning and understanding these types of soap will give you a strong knowledge base to create your own unique soaps. Requirements: soap molds or silicone baking molds, baking extracts, spices, and food coloring which are available in your local grocery. You will need some cooking equipment. This course is taught in English. Tableau training. Master Tableau for data science. Description: Learn Tableau 2020 step by step from basic to advanced. Data visualization through chat, graphs and maps. Requirements: familiarity with Excel. LumaFusion Guide. LumaFusion 2.0 Plus for complete beginners. Description: Learn mobile video editing on your iOS device using LumaFusion fast and easy. Requirements: LumaFusion software, iOS device.